Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Labunna Ahmed. I am a student of BBA of World University of Bangladesh. Uh, Now I will discuss financial statement of balance sheet and income statement. This statement using two analyses like horizontal analysis and vertical analysis. Now I will first discuss balance sheet. Horizontal analysis using balance sheet. When using horizontal analysis, be sure to be examine both dollar amount change and percentage change. It is not necessarily bad if a company earnings are growing at a declining rate. The amount of decrease may be the same as over more than the base year, but the percentage change may be less because the base is greater each year. Remember that horizontal means from side to side. So horizontal analysis look at financial data over 2 or more years, comparing similar items to see how they have changed and what this might mean. There are two types of horizontal analysis. In the first, we look at dollar and percentage change. We have a comparative balance sheet showing the number for this year and last year, the most recent number to the left to be sure you verify that and read from right to left for each these item. We will be calculating the dollar change, that is how much the amount increased or decreased over last year. You can see that I have noted that the dollar change in this year last year. Then we will calculate the percentage change to see this always divided by the earlier number. So here we will take the dollar change and divided it by last year. Horizontal analysis and formulate in change in taka this year. Change in taka equal to this year minus last year, and percentage change is equal to change in taka divided by last year. We can see that asset, non-current asset, property, plant, equipment, and change in year 7%, and current asset and total 8%, and equity and liabilities shareholders equity 3%, and non-current liabilities 2% and 45% current liability, and 30% 9%. Total equity and liability 8%. Balance sheet using in vertical analysis. As you know, vertical means up and down. On the balance sheet, vertical analysis for the which that each step presented through divide all item by total asset for total year. Vertical analysis is a kind of financial statement analysis wherein each item in the financial statement is shown in the percentage of the base figure, whereas the opposite of the vertical analysis of financial statement is the horizontal analysis. Always looks at the amount from the financial statement over the horizon of many years. Vertical analysis formula for the balance sheet are given below. Vertical analysis and this year and last year. This year asset is 34%, and last year is 35%, and total asset in 100% and 100%, and they equal. Equity and liabilities and this year and last year in 100% and 100% and equal. Total equity and liability and 100% like this. And now I discuss income statement with using horizontal analysis and vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis of financial statement is one of the most important techniques of to find out how a company is doing financial. First, we need to take the previous year as the base year and last year as the comparison year. Let's see we are comparing between 2018 and 2019. We will take 2018 as base year and 2019 as the comparison year. Income statement using vertical analysis. Vertical analysis is to increase an effective of vertical analysis multiply years. Statements can be compared and comparative analysis of statements can be done. In the above, we can see that the income and net profit after tax and increase 9% and 2 same year, this year and last year same year percentage. In the year increase 9% and 9%. Thank you everyone.